par of levels, we expected oil to trade higher, and what it has done, it has moved towards the next resistance zone precisely at 67.6. The levels which we had discussed yesterday should offer a good resistance. And then can we now expect oil to break beyond the next critical milestone at 68.4, beyond which it should turn bullish? All the highs are done and we are again looking forward to a drop. While natural gas has erased most of the gains for the week and it has now come towards the next critical support zone at $4 levels, and this was also as expected. So what to expect today from crude oil and net gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Remember, the net gas storage data today, later in the day, with the US session might bring little volatility into the net gas prices, so be careful. Let's start. First oil followed with gas. For oil on the hourly charts, you can find out a greater consolidation is struggling to break beyond 67.6. That is the level beyond which we are looking forward to another up move, which is going to take the prices towards 68 and then 68.4. If these two levels are taken, 68.4, 68.6 is also taken, stay bullish. We are looking forward to the move above $70 levels here. But right now we have to watch out. See, it is consolidating here. Look at the move here. After a stronger rise, slight retracement, consolidating here. At best, it might try to approach towards 20 period moving average. And if at all oil trades below 67 and 66.8, we can say now again the bears are back. Right now it is looking upwards, trading bullish. The stochastic is also rising, while the MACD after a bit of retracement has now crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, similarly you can find out the crossover here is on the buy side, and this crossover is appearing after a great bearish move. This suggests that the prices are ready for a little retracement, but we have to wait for a breakout, because see what's happening after this stronger rise. The reversal sign has appeared, though it is taking support from the 20 period as of now, but this also invites a little retracement. So if you see now oil trading below 67.2, the higher price is below 67.2, we can expect the next move to be towards 67, 66.8. This is going to be the first prime support for the day, and this is going to be a very strong support if at all oil starts to reverse. And then the most important one is at 66.5, 66.3 levels. If these two key levels are taken, you can say now oil is reversing, else it is trading in this bullish channel. And as long as now 66.5, 66.3 is respected today, possibility of a bounce back will be high. Stochastic has dropped here, looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still trading bullish, and the RSI is very much near to the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. The moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Also notice largely what we had discussed. See, divide this movement into two, you will find this is double bottom and prices might head towards double top. Now double top here is little far at 68, 68.4 zone, so that becomes an achievable level, but right now I can see a bit of a struggle. It is delivering lower highs. So now for the day, it is very important for oil to trade beyond 67.6 levels. That is the first resistance zone, and if that is taken, then 68 and 68.4 will appear. Now see, if that is taken, you can see the next move is going to take the prices all the way towards 70.4, and that should also confirm the reversal here. Right now it is consolidating here. The stochastic slightly overbought. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI is running flat. On the 4 hour charts, and if what you are looking at 4 hour charts here, see a reversal sign has appeared, then the bearish candles has appeared here. It is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Double top is formed. Very important for now for oil to trade beyond 67.6. Else what is happening, it is trying to erase some of the gains. But I will say 67.2, 66.8, this is the first support zone. This is also an achievable zone, and then 66.5, 66.2 levels. These are going to remain the prime support levels for the day. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is running flat, suggesting that the strength is not there. Coming to day, on the daily charts, notice one point. See, it has formed a stronger support here, and this calls for the prices to start retracing at least towards the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 68.4 and the median at around 68.6. So this should be an achievable level, and this should be a greater resistance zone. Also notice, if you connect it, you will find lower highs. So the highs are beautifully aligned here, and thus it is very important for oil to trade beyond 67.6 and 68 zone today, which will confirm another round of rise, first at 68.4, 68.6, and if that is taken, I will look a movement all the way towards 70, though appears difficult as of now. But yes, it has formed a very good base again at 65, and these are the levels which oil is finding, you can say, support from last few years. You can see this was the last time it has moved all the way towards 65, and 65 again provided it the same support, trying to bounce back from this zone. So let's wait for this to show or confirm a complete reversal. Right now I can see a little retracement is possible, and notice what's happening. See, this is the reversal sign, then the rise, the retracement, and again the rise. So ideally this is a reversal confirmation. I will wait for a breakout in order to confirm further rise. Stochastic rising, see, MACD has hit a bottom here, trying to cross over, and this crossover may result into further rise in the prices, or I can say this is indicative, not result, but this is indicative of further rise in the prices. RSI is rising here. So looking at this, what I recommend, a buy is at 67.6, while we can expect 68, 68.4, 68.6, and then beyond this 69.3, 70.2, 70.3 levels should be there. Very good resistance around 70 should be seen if at all prices moves upwards from here, because beyond that we are looking forward to a greater up move. On the downside now, a selling entry in crude oil is at 67.2 levels when you see the higher price below 67.2. But remember, the support levels here till towards 66.8 pretty strong, 66.5, 66.3, the next strongest support. If at all it trades below this, you can say now the bears are back. 65.8, 65 level should be there, though I do not expect this to happen. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas, and do not miss to join the mentorship batch or the signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SEBI account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find that recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, net gas on the hourly charts. First of all, it has started the week on an extremely bullish note with a gap up opening. See, it is now almost erased 20% for the week. It has hit the highs at 4.93, and it has now come towards 4.09 level. So yes, a strong bearish move is seen. The moving averages are now trading with divergence and bearishness on the hourly charts. But at the same time, I can see $4 levels, 4.04 levels are going to remain the prime support here for net gas. And with that as support, now prices are trying to bounce back. If you now see net gas is staying above 4.1, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 4.18, 4.2, first target zone. And then if it trades above 4.2, possibility will be very high that we can see 4.4 levels very soon as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen strong bearish move here. It is trying to cross over for the buys. The RSI is oversold. Coming to two, on the 2 hour charts, the moving average is crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, and see, it is finding the support, trying to bounce. Also, the prices are trading with little divergence from the 20-50 period moving average, which are now looking downwards. And the next thing here is, see, the prices are trading in this bullish channel, so it is still respecting this channel. Now, only bearishness today in net gas is if you see it is staying below 4.04 and $4 levels. These are going to remain the prime support levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading sharply bearish. It can converge crossover for the buys. RSI is staying oversold. On the 3 hour charts, and on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? A sharp dip is seen. It is trying to bounce back above 4.1. We can expect a little rise. 4.1, 4. Should offer a little resistance on the upside. Beyond this, a little retracement all the way towards 4.18, 4.2 should be there. The stochastic here is oversold. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to the 4, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Moving average is now starting to cross over here, and then after this sharp bearishness, it is trying to retrace all the way. Now, if at all it trades beyond 4.1, 4.12 today, you can expect a move towards 4.18, 4.2, and then I will look forward to a move towards 4.3. In fact, the week started on a bullish note at 4.42, 4.44 zone, and thus I will definitely watch out if at all it tries to show a retracement today, because once it starts to retrace, we can see a stronger up move here, and it may try to close at a doji at around 4.4, 4.42 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI at bottom here. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, similar observation. See, every rise is offset with a retracement towards the 20 period here, and you can see all this time this support line is pretty intact, and net gas is keeping itself in this bullish channel. Now, it is pretty important for us to observe if at all it comes out of this channel, because once it trades below $4 levels here, we can expect the bears to take over from there, and then you can expect the next move might take it all the way towards 3.94, 3.8 zone. So today is going to be one such important day where it might try to reverse completely. However, not so aggressively. I cannot see such an aggressive bearishness as of now. The stock I stick here is looking downwards. Look at MACD. This is one observation, because see, it has crossed over at the top and it is now looking downwards, and it has lot much of space on the downside. So this is something which is making me cautious. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, what I'll recommend you to buy here at 4.1, expect 4.13, 4.18, 4.2 as the next. And if 4.2 is taken, we can look forward to the next target all the way towards 4.3 and 4.4 levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at I will say 4.04 levels, expected to move towards $4 levels, first target zone, 3.94 second. And if 3.94 is taken, the possibility will be very, very high that we are looking forward to 3.89, 3.8 levels very soon. And if at all net gas closes the week in red, that is tomorrow also it might turn red, you can expect a greater down move in the coming next week as well. But I am still not very much in support for such a great correction. We are still staying bullish with net gas. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank